pizza is not the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
We need vegetables and cheese.
Cheese? My next delivery. Wait here. Oh! Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Really good at making ice cream.
Hands up. Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh. Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate?
It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure.
A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you. We've had a great day. Thank you for all your help. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Flour. Thank you, Joe. I guess this'll do.
Okay, Julie, now we're ready to make some scones.
Let's love sign. Make. Make. You sign. Make. Good. Make.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe, we need butter.
Ah, my second delivery. Wait, here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry.
I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix and mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. Okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small. Oh, this is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this. Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home. Yeah. Bye.
Wait.
Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
Of course, I've one more delivery. A present. Wait here.
A present.
Let's love sign. Present. Present. You sign. Present. Good. Present.
Here, a present.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. It's my granny's recipe.